Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cassie. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out the watercolor method using this synthetic wig that I have on right here. It is from Bobbi Boss in the style Ophelia. I will leave all the links to this wig down in the description box below. I actually purchased this from Brittany, who is better known as the Hearts and Cake 90 here on YouTube. She is amazing and she has wig sales regularly, and this is the first purchase that I actually got from her because when that girl has a wig sale like that, they are sold out. So you really have to be like on top of it if you want a wig. I have been so interested in trying out the watercolor method for quite some time, but I haven't found the perfect wig that I wanted to try it out on yet. I actually was going to do it on the wig that I reviewed for you guys that I got from Amazon. It was from ATOZ Wig. If you did not see that video, I will link it here in the cards. I don't know which side, whatever. So all the videos that I've seen using the watercolor method have been on 613 wigs. I have not yet seen one on a wig that is already dyed, and as you can tell, this one has a dark root and like an ashy blonde color, and the more that I look at it, the less I really want to dye it, but I'm like, I have to do it. I have to do it. Real quick before I go ahead and get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am not reviewing this hair. If you want to see a review, I will link Brittany's video down in the description box below. This video is just to see if the watercolor method will work on this wig. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So to dye the wig, I purchased this tub that I got from Walmart. It's just a regular tub. I didn't want anything that was too shallow because I wanted to have enough water in it, but I think the size is gonna work pretty good, and I think it was only like $4 or $5. The dye that I'm using is from the brand Rit, and this is in the shade of Rose Quartz, and I also have a dye in the shade Purple. I'm gonna mix the two because I want like a lavender lighter purple color, and I figured that the Rose Quartz would be a really pretty color to mix in with this purple shade. So here are the finished results. Obviously you can tell it did not take all the color, but I feel like there are little streaks of purple everywhere. I don't even know if that's just like my eyes playing tricks on me or something, but I feel like the color did change a little bit. It's not as bright and sandy as it was. It's a lot more gray tone now. My fingers are definitely purple. So I wouldn't say that this is a complete fail because I do still like it, and I feel like there's little bits of purple throughout. It's just not as vibrant as I imagined it would be. I feel like it's a lot more on the gray tone, which, I mean, like I said, I'm not mad at. And of course, I did just see that the Rit brand has a whole line dedicated to synthetic material, and it is called Dye More. So I feel like maybe, since obviously this is a synthetic wig made out of synthetic fiber, maybe that would work a little bit more and it would penetrate it so the color would be a bit more vibrant. So maybe I'll try it again. I don't know, like this is kind of growing on me because I feel like there are little streaks of purple in there. If not, I'm kind of digging the gray, and I was actually kind of worried about trying gray hair, but this is kind of cute. Like, she's kind of cute. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. I also want to know if you guys have ever tried out the watercolor method before, so leave me a comment if you have and let me know how it worked out for you. And yeah, we just hit 300 subscribers. I'm so excited, so thankful, so happy. It was just in time for my birthday, which is this Thursday, June 6th. Gemini gang. So yeah, make sure you are subscribed if you enjoyed the content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, and cut.